How to have emotional connection with your goals. Very important. Friends, if you do not have emotional connection with your goals, forget. You cannot achieve your goals. No matter how talented you are or how much ever capable you are, how much ever intelligent you are, if you lose emotional connections or if you do not have emotional connection, there is no way that you're going to attain your goals. Okay? But now let's see what's that. How to have emotional connection with your goals. There are 4 ways that I build emotional connection with my goals, right? Way 1. Like most of our parents, even my parents have sacrificed a lot of things in order to raise me up, in order to fulfill whatever I asked for, in order to give me a good education. When I was young, I was not understanding all those things. But when I recollect those situations now, there will be tears in my eyes. So I need to make sure that I give them quality life, the other side of life that they have never seen, right? Which means I need to succeed, right? So that's the first emotional connection. I need to achieve my goal. I need to become a very good coach because I need to provide quality life to my parents. Second reason, I'm already a coach. I've already touched hundreds of people. I want to touch millions of people, right? That is my big goal. So the second emotional connection that I have, my children should get inspiration from me. Wow, I'm born to Ramya, I'm born to her. I'm so lucky to have her as my mother. I'm not exaggerating, but my children should be inspired looking at me. They should never say, if at all I was born to rich parents, if at all I was born to parents who are intelligent or who are having these character traits, all those things, right? I want to make sure my children look up to me. So instead of saying, right, so be like this, be like that, nobody's going to listen to you if you just say. What about walking the talk? So become that person so that they look up to you. I want to be such a mother. That's a reason 2. Reason number 3 and 4 put together, because I exist on this planet Earth. I'm a human being. I need to make sure my life matter. Yes, you know what is the probability of being a human being, friends? It's 1 divided by 84 lakhs. There are 84 lakhs different kinds of species on this planet Earth. So the probability of us being a human being is 0.0000000000000. I don't know how many zeros followed by 1. I don't want to waste this life. And I see so many people are struggling to achieve their goals. And there are so many problems that I have solved for myself. So I want to help people. The kind of fulfillment that I get by creating a beautiful positive impact is awesome. It's priceless, right? So these are my emotional connections. So anytime I feel bored or I feel like procrastinating, I just think, oh no, I need to make sure my parents get good life. Enough of them working so hard. Oh no, I need to make sure my children, I should be a great example for my children. Oh no, because I exist, I need to make sure I help others as well, creating a beautiful positive impact. The kind of experiences that I have. Because at the end, my bank balance, how much I work hard, nothing matters. What matters is the kind of experiences that I have in my life, and I want to make it beautiful, right? So these are the kind of 4 emotional connections that I will have for each of my goals, which will make sure that I take action, right? Because people who do not take action, the same reasons even successful people have. Even successful people are human beings, but they do it anyway. But have only when they have emotional connection, friends. So come up with strategies, or you can follow the same kind of strategy for you to have emotional connection with your goals. First, set your goal, and second thing, why do you want to achieve your goal? And that is where emotional connection is going to come into picture. Unless and until you're very clear as to why you want to achieve your goal, please do not even go to how. How do you want to achieve your goal is not even a problem. If why is very strong, if your emotional connection is very strong, then how is going to fall in place, right? Take care, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, like the video, comment, and I'm conducting a 4 days base camp free of cost from August 11th to August 15th. If you are interested, click on the WhatsApp link and you can see what is it I'm going to do in the base camp. You can register or click on the WhatsApp link and be a part of the community. And it is from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 24 hours. Only recording will be available for only 24 hours. Many people have got so many benefits out of this. I've got great testimonials as well, which I'm going to discuss in the base camp. So see you in the base camp. Make sure you become a finisher. Do not forget to subscribe.